Hey guys, this is my third attempt to make this video. It's because I have not had power at my house, and then I'm here now and the internet's being slow and whatever it is. So I want to let you know that there is no Zoom for today. I have not had power for 24 hours, and I was at a hotel, and then now I'm here at work, and I just got here a little bit ago. So I think a lot of you are kind of in the same boat that you might not have power, your internet's really slow, or whatever the case it might be. I hope all things are not like that, but if they are, I understand because I'm one of those teachers that don't have power. So I do hope first everyone is safe and okay, and please reach out if not. And for today for work for Friday, this video should be right here. Okay, so hopefully you've clicked it and you're watching this. There's no new work. There's nothing new. So if you are finished with whatever I have said in the past, or I've seen you in person, you're pretty much going to be done. But if I have not yet seen you in person and you have not yet started anything, then I need for you to do a couple of things. I need for you to go into modules and finish the 7RI5 text structure with informational text. That means you need to make sure you've done 7.5H, part 2 and part 3. So that means in your ready book, I don't have it out, but on page 96 and 97, you've done it. You've read about the DNA, you've written about the structure, et cetera, and you've taken a picture and you've put it in here. Then you've done 7.5I part A and 7.5I part B. So that means that you've done the notes with part 4 on page 98. So you've read the discovery of DNA. No, it's all in our DNA. And you've done the notes with that and you've turned those in. And then you've done page 99, the questions, taken a picture, and you put them in. So that's that. I have not graded that. My goal is for today to make sure that all that stuff is in PowerSchool soon. Then lesson 10, part 5, assessment, if you are ready, which most of you probably are or have already done it. I just haven't even looked, that you have done this question, these questions. Oh, I realize that it's not published. So maybe you haven't even seen it. It is now published. Anyway, so at 7.5J, lesson 10, part 5, assessment questions, please do that. So you would read the article on the text on page 5, part 5 on page 100. It's nature versus nurture, the great debate. And it's about like genetics versus your environment that you grew up in, kind of thing. So you would actually answer the questions here on Canvas as I click it. Hopefully it will open. And you can read it in the text on page 100, but answer the questions here on Canvas. Once it opens up, you'll see what I mean. Okay. And so the text is going to be on the left, but again, that's really small. You can enlarge it. You also could click right here to open another copy of it in a new window, and then answer the questions on this side. Okay. Hopefully I didn't just mess that up. So that is what you need to be doing. Let's say you've done all that and you've already worked on iReady. Awesome. Okay. Go ahead and, if you would like, in the modules, I've given you some test-taking annotation strategies, because come Monday of next week and Tuesday and Thursday and Friday, you guys will be taking the reading check-in. You'll also be taking the math. But for my part, if today and yesterday we would have gone over a couple more things here, but since I'm not physically there and I'm not Zooming today, you're more than welcome to take a look at these annotation strategies right here in this module for annotation strategies, and you can look on this right here, and it's an annotation practice. So you underline key ideas when you're reading. You write a question mark to things that seem confusing, circle words that you are having difficulty with, put an exclamation mark to something that's surprising. And so I would just want you to look over that. And if you want to actually practice some of those annotations tools, you can click next and look at this for extra practice is an article. You can annotate it, answer the questions, and send it in. But again, that's not a grade. It's just for practice. But I hope you have a wonderful, safe weekend being Halloween. And I hope you guys have power and all things are well. Have a wonderful